So, today we are going to be making, I don't know if you can hear it. I wasn't planning on doing cooking with barking dogs, but we may hear a few. Hello, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making a homemade French onion soup. So what's the first thing you would start with? They say yellow onions because the sweet ones are too sweet. I don't think you can be too sweet. We're going to be using chicken stock. We're going to be using some bread to make croutons. We're going to be using Gruyere cheese, olive oil for your pan. Our seasonings today are going to be bay leaf, thyme. Boy, it's time to start cooking. Some herbes de Provence, fresh black pepper. Probably salt has to be in here somewhere. First thing we have to do is slice them properly. That'll be fun. Mama loves playing with knives. So, why don't we start? And they say to use sherry. I couldn't find sherry anywhere. I called her name. But I'm going to use vermouth instead. I can never find the perfect bay leaf. Maybe there just isn't a perfect bay leaf. You start by slicing Move. It's cooking with barking dogs. What are you gonna do? You start with your good knife. I'm crying I haven't even got into the onion. And what you're gonna do is slice your onions. If your soup does not turn out we're gonna cheat and add or substitute some packaged soup. Hello, we are ready for the last step. So, our soup is done. Look, remember we made this? Cut out the little round so he's nice and crispy. He's gonna float on the top. And then we add some cheese. You place the tray in your oven. We are taking our French onion soup out of the broiler. Please use oven mitts. Hello, baby. This is going to be very hot, so please be careful. There it is. The French onion soup. Have fun making this to your house. I'd love to know how it turns out. Bon appetit. See you next time.